Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to see how to install Windows 11 officially. We're not going to use any crack or any ISO file that has been leaked already. We're going to see how to install it officially through your computer. And you can see this is the Windows 11 website that we have in front of us. So we're going to see. So first you can see here for check compatibility we had a feature where we had PC health checkup app or a software that you could install, but they have removed it. It is coming soon because they had some problems. It wasn't working on my PC also. So till the time it does not happen, so we have to do it like this method also. So these are the minimum requirements that we have to install our Windows 11. So you should have all these requirements before you start installing Windows 11. Okay, so what we want to do is now this is the website, you can refer it. Now many people have installed it unofficially or a leaked version, but what we are going to do is we're going to install Windows 11 officially. We're not going to use any cracks or anything. So let's go to our settings option first, and what we'll search for here is called as Insider. We have something called as Insider program. So you'll search for Windows Insider program, and once you see that option you have to select that option, which is called as Windows Insider program. After that you'll be led to a screen where you can see all the details that we have to fill out before. So what Insider program basically is whatever updates that is there, if you join this program, Windows will give it to you first before even launching it for the normal public. So here I have already registered for it, but you won't see a screen like this. You will see a different screen. So you'll have an option get started or register. You have to click on it. You have to register the account that is there on Microsoft. You have to link your account, and after that you can see there are options. You have dev channel, beta channel, and the release preview channel. So I'm going to select dev channels because they get all the updates earlier on, and whatever Windows 11 updates are there, I'll receive it first. So select the dev channel, and after that what you have to do is you have to simply just link, or if you have linked your account, this is the Microsoft account. I have to click on unlink here if I have to show you guys, but it's a hefty process. So you can just link your account. You will see a different screen. You might not see like this. You will see how to register on it, how to link your account. You'll get led to a website where you have to register your account. After that you have to restart your PC. You'll get an option to restart your PC, and as I've already done all of that, now if I just go to Windows 10, now I've registered just now for Windows Insider program, so it will still check for updates. Okay, so now while it checks for updates, we'll just wait for it. So now we can see we have updates available. We have Windows 11 preview officially available. We are downloading officially. Now the download might take a lot of time, even if you have fast internet. It took me a lot of time, so it will take a lot of time. You can see after almost an hour or so, the download was complete, and now you can see it has started installing, which will also take a lot of time. Installation and download process of Windows 11 is a hefty and a time consuming process. Now you can see we have to restart our PC. My installation has completed, so I'll just restart. And now here is what Windows 11 looks like. Now I've cut out all of these parts of installing and downloading because it makes the video longer. So I'm just going to show you exactly what Windows 11 is. So you can see we have all of these features which are new. The taskbar is at center. The apps are not pinned anymore. We have to pin our own apps. If you have time to see all apps, you can click on this button. You can go back and you can see these are the recommended apps based on our history of what we have used. So it's quite an amazing. This is also a kit that we have which is called as Get Started, which leads us through all of the Windows 11 features that we have. Now I have just installed Windows 11, so my PC is working very slow. It's got heated up because the installation process was very long and it took a lot of time, so my PC might work a little bit slow. But as you can see over here, we have installed officially Windows 11 21H2 version. Okay, and we have done it officially. We have not used any mod or crack or anything at all. We have just used the official way to use Windows 11. Now the thing is that with dev channels you get all of these updates, but the the Windows 11 might not be stable, might be less stable. Okay, so you have to keep that in mind before updating to Windows 11. Now you can see everything is new in Windows 11. If you open up your file manager, you can see the options that we had earlier on, the icons and the UI, everything has changed. Windows has made it a lot easier for us to customize our windows according to our needs, and it looks very nice. Now again, I said that I've recently updated it and making a video on it, so it's working a little bit slow. So you can see over here this screen has also changed a lot. Okay, now it's looking very good and very amazing. All of these things are new over here. All of these icons are new. It's looking, the UI is very good. We have rounded icons and everything is just wonderful. Okay, so you can see this is our page where we have to select our drives, so it also looks good. Now I'll just minimize this, and so Get Started is still loading up. So now it's going to show you everything that is there to get started with Windows 11. So you can see we even have a Microsoft Edge customization available and all of these things. Now my PC is working slow because I've just installed it, as I said earlier on. So you can also use your phone, and you can also use Android apps on Windows 11 now. That's also a good feature. They are just testing it out, but I think it's a good feature because I need many of the apps on my. So you can see we are now all set. Now Windows 11 has installed, so you can open the tips now if you want to know how you can use everything, each and every new feature. But I'm just going to close this because I'm not going to show each and everything about Windows 11. So this has opened up the tips section, so you can check out the tips if you want. If you don't want, you can just skip this. It's not necessary. But Windows 11 is, according to me, quite amazing, and it looks very nice if we compare it to Windows 10. Yeah, it's a little bit slow because the final version hasn't been released yet. When the stable version is released, it will be very fast. Now the unstable version or the less stable version is released, so it's a little bit slower. But yeah, it looks good overall. And there's also new features. If you click on search, also the search bar has also changed a lot. The transparency, the effects and everything, you can see even the borders are rounded, they're not square anymore. We also have this new features where we have this calendar and notification. It's an amazing UI for Wi-Fi and battery. Also we have this new thing which looks quite amazing. We also have many themes rather than just one or two themes now, so we can change it to whatever we can personalize it to whatever way we want. So that's it. This is what Windows 11 looks like, and this is how you can download Windows 11 officially. If you guys have any doubts or queries, mention to the comment section. Subscribe to my channel and like.